In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 cup of chocolate chips. You're going to microwave the chocolate chips for 30 seconds at half power or on the defrost setting. Stir and then repeat until chocolate chips are completely melted. Add 1/8 teaspoon of peppermint oil. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Spread chocolate on a silicone mat. Place in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes until chocolate has hardened. Repeat the same process with the white chocolate chips. Spread the white chocolate over the dark chocolate. Then sprinkle with 1/4 cup of crushed candy canes. Then place in the refrigerator to harden for about 5 minutes. Break it apart. This will make a perfect holiday gift.